Hello, my name is Todd, and myself, along with my colleague Thatcher Borman, we are going to be your instructors for the EDU255 class for the next 7 weeks. So in this video, I just want to say hello, give you a couple pieces of information, and then I'm going to give you a real quick tour through the class. So we have a non-mandatory meeting in Prescott from 5:30 to 7:30 on Monday. And we have the same meeting, if you can make it, in the Verde Valley on Tuesday, same 5:30 to 7:30 approximately. The information for those is in the email that you're getting, and I think it's a great opportunity not only to meet you, but we can get a long ways into the first week by kind of being right there with you and helping you create some of the things you're going to need to do for this class. It's non-mandatory, so you don't need to be there, but it is a great opportunity if you can. One of the things I'm going to really try and do during this class, as of today, we have about 12 people signed up, and I'm really hoping to use more than just email as a way to communicate. We have Thatcher, who works in Prescott most of the time, and I work in the Verde Valley most of the time, so between the two of us, I hope that we can actually work with some of you folks throughout the class, face-to-face at somewhere, a coffee shop or at the college or wherever, and really get to know you. And I encourage you to use the telephone or Skype or whatever is going to work for you to call us. It's a small class. It's a really great opportunity to go far and learn a lot very quickly. So that's a really something I'm really going to try and do well this time. So the class is short. It is only 7 weeks long, and there's much to do. And I know that if you're a teacher, you're very busy. Like I said, if you need help or you feel like you're distressed, please give us a call, email us, and we can meet you somewhere, and we can probably get a lot done pretty quickly. So I hope to see some of you here this next week. Like I said, I'm going to give you a short little tour through the very first week's worth of work for the class here. We're going to hold the content each week so that at least for this week you can only see week 1's work. Next week you'll be able to see week 2 work and so forth throughout the class. If you have questions about what we're doing, we have it pretty well described as far as some of the tools we're going to look at on the pages for the week. The first reading and watching page has some of what we're going to look at during the week, but it doesn't go into a lot of detail. That's intentional so that we keep the group together and working as a single unit on a single topic, and people aren't getting way ahead of the group. So anyway, welcome to the class. Again, please feel free to call us. The information's on the website and in the email that we sent you anytime. And I'm going to give you a quick little tour of the class right now. Okay, so the class site that we're going to use is teacherslearningtogether.com. It's all one word. You can see it at the top of the screen here. And we're going to use this as a place to share our work, to find the information you need to complete for the class, the assignments, other resources that we are going to look at in the class, and other resources that you might be interested in. So this is a website that is built in the WordPress platform. WordPress is typically known as a blogging platform, but more and more people use it as just what you normally would consider a regular website. And it has all the features of a regular website, but it just happens to be built on a blogging platform. So what we would like you to do is just take a look here at the course navigation. You can click on Start Here, and there's all kinds of information about what we're doing, a little bit about the syllabus and the grading. There's a calendar of events as well. The class is broken up into 7 weeks of work. So the first 2 weeks are under controlling the web, and if you hover over that and hover over your domain, you'll see that there's a week 1 reading and watching, week 1 making stuff, week 1 collaborating, and week 1 reflecting. Every week is broken up into those 4 sections. You are going to read stuff, watch it, you're going to make some stuff, you're going to work together, and then you are going to reflect on each week. So the week 1 work is available. If you scroll down to communication tools, you'll see that it says the same thing, only week 2. If you move over to adding content, we're going to look at videos. So here's the week 3 work, and we're going to look at using images, and here's the week 4 work. We're going to look at creating audio. Here's the week 5 work. And the last 2 weeks are under a bigger community, and that would be the week 6 and week 7 work. So we have a couple other links here, some of our favorite teachers who write a lot and share that reflection on the open web. And then we have the ISTE standards link over here. So to get started, you're just going to click Start here, read that, and then the next place you're going to go is to this week 1 work and the reading and watching. So if you click that, you'll see some objectives and some assignments, a little bit of text about what's going to happen, a video that we'd like you to watch, a couple short readings, and then you can go on to the next section, which is the making of the blog, in this case, your website for this week. And that's really all I wanted to show you for today. There is a lot of information on this site. On the right side, this is we're going to look at Diigo, and this is some material in Diigo. These are all links to websites. We have the EdChat hashtag used in Twitter, which is very active, and there's always a lot of resources there. And then we have some education news RSS feeds. So there's a lot of information about teaching and learning here. But our class content is all under the controlling the web, adding content, and a bigger community. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you for now, and we'll see you soon.